Hi viewers, today I will show you how you can make a CV or resume from the mobile in a very easy and efficient way. There are so many mobile applications on the Google Play Store where you can download it and install in your mobile, and you can easily create your CV. You just need to put your information, and there are so many other templates, and based on those templates you can make it in no time. So now I am starting. You just have to go to the Google Play Store over here, like this, and here you just write over, for example, resume maker. Okay. I already installed resume maker over here. So after installing your mobile, you can create your CV like this. First, here I have my CV and resume creator. I have to open it first. I already have make an account on it. So for the instance, I am trying to make a new CV for one of my friend, okay, who is DBA. First we have to click on this plus icon on the bottom right corner, like this. As it is a free application, so errors will become over here. So it will ask me which type of CV you want to create. For example, it is actor resume, graphic designer resume, technical resume. For example, I am creating a technical resume like this. Okay, first it asks which if you have any photo, you can give the put the photo over here. For example, like if I click on the photo, it is asking me photo, camera, photo album, or anything. For example, I put for example any photo album over here. For example, if I go to gallery, I can find any photo, for example, and this is my photo. Okay, I save it, for example, like this. So I have created my photo over here, and I put, for example, like put name as Simpson. Okay, after that I put create new, and I create and by default is writing that I am seeking a competitive and challenging environment where I can serve your organization and establish an enjoyable career for myself. Then I click next. It is asking me now, please enter your skills. For example, if I put my skill as I click on the plus icon, and I put Oracle 10G. Okay, this is one of my skills. Secondly, if I put Oracle forms and reports, Oracle forms form and reports. Okay, then I will click on the next. Now it is asking for personal information. Please enter for information. For example, I put my information as Simpson if. Okay, male, date of birth. For example, I put June 9, 20, 1995. Okay, and address I put NSW, New Zealand. For example, I put Lakeview. Okay, New Zealand. Language town. I can put any language, for example, English. If I put over here English. Contact number, if you want to put, for example, Five six two eight and four, and you can whatever your contact address is, email as for example eve at gmail.com. For example, I put nationality or TV, for example. Okay. After this, hobbies you can put any, for example, horse riding, combine, or stem collection. Any you can put whatever your hobbies. It's just you have to just put your information over a stem collection, and you have to put next. Now it is asking for please enter at least one education detail. For example, you can put if I click on the plus icon over here, you can put BS in computer science like that. BS computer science university. Uh, new new man university, for example, university. Okay. Then college name FBU, for example, FBU technical college, whatever the college you have, technical college, and whatever. For example, you got the percentage of 85 over there. It's not a big deal, but maybe you could just put 85 percentage, or you can also put CGPS 3.4 like this. You're passing, you can write, for example, you pass in example 2015. My 2015. Okay, now if you save it like this, you have to click new work experience. Maybe you just click on a plus icon, then you can write Wipro Pro Private Limited, for example. You just put over there DBA, junior DBA, for example, junior DBA. Okay. For example, currently you are working over there, and role, you can put DB over here also, and job responsibility, for example, performance tuning. Tuning, backup, DB, etc. Location, for example, you are working in Wellington. Okay, and now if you save it, my workplace enter from date. For example, I have not put the date. For example, I started to work over there in 2012, for example. Okay, now if you save it, your detail will be shown on the top, and it will finish. If you click on the next, then project details you want to put, for example, military any military project you have worked. Maybe you can write according to your details. For example, role you as you work as DBA, duration time. For example, you work on um, 4 years. Sorry, you work on 4 years. team size was around 5, project detail, client server application, for example, right? So application, okay, and other. Okay, now for Wipro you actually were project link if you want to add, but if you don't want, then you just need to save it. After that you have to click next. And achievement, if you want to give, it's up to you. Put next, for example, please enter reference name, for example, John Harley is your friend, for example. You can give you the reference detail. You can put senior manager over there, senior phone you can put for his 5 6 any whatever is, and put his jh at gmail.com. Okay, after this you're already finished. You can put also reference number, name too, and details. It's up to you, but if you I just put one driving license. If you want to put, for example, it's up to you. You can put driving license number, your passport number, your PAN number. It's up to you. But I click on next, and then it is asking, I hereby declare that the above information is true to the best of my knowledge and belief. After this you have to click next, and to experience 6. Now it is asking for signature place. I just put Wellington. Date, for example, for today date I put, and I put signature and save sign. Signature saved successfully. Okay, then it is asking me what you want to do now. I can convert this application into PDF format now. Okay, select format. For the CV, you want your CV in the PDF or resume PDF. I put in CV PDF. Okay, now the ads are coming, but I just click on the closing. Okay, so now it is asking for the simple formats for which you want your CV to be created. For example, here are so many formats. Some are free and some are paid. You can see these free formats over here. For example, these two, the last one, two are of 0.99. It is not free. For example, I select this CV, which is free. Okay, click on close for this, and then it is now creating the CV for me like this. Okay, you can see the projects, reference details, skills, declaration, education, all of which I have put over here. Achievements, personal details, language, all you can. There you can find the link in down, bottom down, generate and download. I just click on it. Okay, so it has now been created. It is asking for how many copies you want to create, or is the paper size. It is of 2-page CV, but if I click on the save icon over here, my CV has been saved. It is asking me where to save. I just put it downloads, and with the name as my resume, or you can put your name, Simpson. For example, I put Simpson CV. Okay, and save it. Now it is saving in the downloads. You can later send this CV to any where you want to apply, and so this is how you can make a CV within no time. If you have collected all your details with you before starting to work in this application, then you can create awesome CVs in no time. So thanks friends for watching my video. So in the end, I would like you guys to subscribe my channel, so that you can get some very good new informative videos later on. and also click on the bell icon so that you get the notification when I upload some new video. And once again, thanks for watching. I hope you have find this you have find my video very informative and helpful. Thanks for watching once again.